Many of us that have come to the sisterhood and brotherhood of witches came to it first because of our love of nature, whether it was collecting stones or playing in flowers. For me, it was just the love of the sky, the stars, the night sky. I love the nighttime. I love rainstorms and rainy days. And a lot of our practice is in reverence and respect to nature and the creatures that inhabit nature. Many of the things that we use come from outside, and it's all about paying respect. It's all about being mindful of what is helpful, not only to us as we take, but also from what we receive and what we get back. So I just wanted to share a few of the little snippets of nature that I captured over the last few days. The sky was beautifully eerie at one point, and even the next morning, which was today, me and my dumpling did a little rain dance and just let the rain fall on us and let our feet hit the ground, which is so necessary just to regain a sense of your energy. And I needed it definitely. So I hope you enjoyed these clips. I hope you find a little piece of nature to love for yourself. And I'll see you next time. Later, gypsies. Yes. It does look like whipped cream. Oh my gosh. It's